Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Most repeated 1000 MCQ series, part number 24, question number 651. How many divisions are in KPK? 7, 8, 9, none. The correct answer 7. 7 divisions in KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. How many divisions in Punjab? 7, 8, 11, none. The correct answer 11. 11 divisions in Punjab. The first constructed barrage of Pakistan is Sakhar Barrage, Guddu Barrage, Kotri Barrage, Janan. The correct answer Sakhar Barrage, the first constructed barrage of Pakistan. Hindu-Urdu controversy started from 1867 Banaras, 1857 Aligarh, 1847 Delhi. Janan. The correct answer Hindi-Urdu controversy Urdu-Hindi Tanaza start from Banaras 1867. China was discovered by Marco Polo, Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan. The correct answer Marco Polo. China was discovered by Marco Polo. Fortran stand for formula translator, foreign translator, or formula transporter. Correct answer Fortran stands for formula translator. Land of thousand lakes is called Indonesia, Malaysia, Canada, none. The correct answer Indonesia. Land of thousand lakes is Indonesia. City of peace is called Baghdad, Damascus, Beirut, none. The correct answer City of peace is called Baghdad. Baghdad lies in Iraq. Gateway to east is Baghdad, Damascus, Beirut, none. The correct answer Beirut. Beirut is the gateway to east. Who is the founder of Unionist Party? Liaquat Ali Khan, Sarfazil Hussain, Mumtaz Bhutto. The correct answer Sarfazil Hussain is the founder of Unionist Party. RAD stands for Unit of Radiation, Radio Resistance Absorbed Dose, none. The correct answer Unit of Radiation Absorbed Dose. RAD means Unit of Radiation Absorbed Dose. Meteorology is study of weather, study of water, study of groundwater. The correct answer study of weather. Meteorology is called study of weather. Vitamin D is essential for eyes, lungs, calcium metabolism. None. Correct answer calcium metabolism. Vitamin D is essential for calcium metabolism. The official policy as well as reporters from Japanese government book is known as White Book, Grey Book, Yellow Book. The correct answer Grey Book. Official policy and as well as reports of Chinese written government written in Grey Book, which famous as Grey Book. The famous book The Making of Pakistan is written by K.K. Aziz, Stanley Walpole, Liaquat Ali Khan. The correct answer K.K. Aziz. The Making of Pakistan famous book is written by K.K. Aziz. Unit of wavelength of light is candela, angstrom, lux, none. The correct answer angstrom is the unit of wavelength of light. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to power minus 25 petameters. Unit of brightness of light candela, angstrom, lambert, none. Brightness is measured in lambert. Sudan means land of sun, land of silver, land of black peoples, none. Sudan means land of black peoples. Black forest is mountains in Germany, jungle of Australia, lake name, none. The correct answer mountains in Germany. Highest military award of Germany is Victoria Cross, Iron Cross, Sword of Honor, none. The correct answer Iron Cross. Highest military award of Germany is Iron Cross. Aswan Dam is located in Iran, Egypt, Germany, none. The correct answer Egypt. Aswan Dam is located in Egypt. Driving mirror is usually convex, concave, plane, none. The correct answer convex. Side driving mirror is usually convex lens. The driving mirror is usually convex lens. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People book is written by Stanley Walpole, Stephen R. Conway, K.K. Aziz. The correct answer Stephen or Conway. The 7 habits of highly effective people. 1 carrot is equal to 100 milligram, 200 milligram, 400 milligram, none. The correct answer 200 milligram. 1 carrot is equal to 200 milligram, या 0.2 gram. Thanks a lot watching my videos.